Stu here from 3B, and I've received a box, and I actually know who this is from. Optoma have sent me a couple of things, not to keep, but to review. They saw my review of the Optoma UHD 40, and they liked it. So much so that they've sent me a couple of things. I don't know what they are, so we're going to find out. Have to be careful, I probably need to keep this box. So let's have a look, let's see what they've sent me to review. So we have a smart LED projector in a very battered box, and a pair of BE2 NU Force ear thingies, wireless earphones. So those look pretty cool. So we'll see how good those are. We will set this up to see how good this is. It's pretty small. Let's have a look. We'll do a proper review of these, but for now we'll just have a look. Hopefully you can see all this and I'm not off camera because I can't see what I'm filming. Wow, that's really small. So we will, wow, that's tiny. We will have a good look at that. See if you guys can see that. Isn't that cute? That's so small. It's a 1080p projector, teeny tiny projector. So we'll set that up and have a good look at that and review that, see how it turns out. That's pretty cool. Sorry, my microphone lead is getting in the way. So I'll put that in there, keep that safe. These are brand new. So let's have a look at these briefly. See if I can get in the box. Not particularly skilled at unboxings. I'm more of a get my hands on it type of guy rather than spending forever analysing what's in a box. So yeah, hopefully you can see what I'm doing, because I can't see myself. Okay, cool. Is that something in there as well? I gotta be careful I don't trash things. Okay, something in there. So we'll keep that there. So here are the headphones. I see. Wow, they're really quite small. I was expecting a lot more to them than that, you know, in terms of a power source and what have you. But I guess they just charge through there. I imagine this is the charger. Some spare things and a little charger cable. Cool. That is actually surprisingly small. So it'll be interesting to see what those are, because those of you that know me know that I'm an audio nerd, and I studied music and sound engineering and what have you, so I do have some sort of point of reference and do have some fancy audio stuff as well, so we will keep those there. Probably needs to, I'll sort that out in a minute. I'll piss around with that, but you get the idea. We've got these, so we're going to review these. They've told me that they'll send me some other stuff in a few weeks, so that'll be exciting. So we've got these BE2s, new New Force, NU Force, and we'll review those, and we'll also have another quick peek at this again. I think this is so cute. Isn't that adorable? Isn't that adorable? So we'll review these over the week, and then we'll put them up next week for you guys to comment, like, share, and do whatever you want to do. But I hope it's useful. This actual device is I don't know what number it is. It is a what is it? Yeah, I've got no real number to give you. It's not written on the box. It is, I don't know what it is, but it's a tiny projector. That's cool. That much we know. It is a still doesn't say on the bottom. That's not a huge amount of help. But there we go. I'll chase up with them to find out exactly what they're calling it, and we'll do a review. So look forward to those over the coming week, to have a play and a fiddle with these. Oh look, they're magnetic too. Isn't that cool? Bing, bing. Small things please little minds. Okay guys, catch you next week.